Hey everyone, I'm Haley with Prismatic Powders. A very important step in prepping parts for powder coating is plugging those holes that you want to protect from being coated. We offer 2 different plug kits on our website to make that process simpler. One of them includes larger plugs for bigger holes, and the other has a very diverse collection of smaller plugs. Depending on what parts you're primarily coating, one may be more beneficial to you than the other, or maybe you want both. The kit I'm going to focus on today is our plug kit for travel mugs and tumblers. This kit comes with 4 different sizes of reusable plugs, as well as a roll of high heat tape. It works great for all kinds of drinkware, but it can also be used for a variety of other parts like scopes, pipes, bike frames, wheels, and more. These plugs are very durable, and they're rated for temperatures of up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. They're made of silicone, so if you need to cut them, run hooks through them, or modify them in any way, you have the ability to do that. If you're curious about the specific sizes of each of these plugs, you can find that information in the product description on our website. There's a link in this video description to take you there. And while you're here, please give us a like and subscribe to our new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.